So it's the start of day 3 and it is 5 a.m. Is it 5 a.m? But maybe a little bit past now.
Quarter past.
I've been awake since 2:30 this morning, but I still feel rather okay.
I have been asleep since 9 last night.
Did you go to bed early-ish?
Yeah.
I went to bed about 11. But look, this morning's visitor, giraffe, and there's another one somewhere there.
Yeah. It's in there.
He's in there.
Yeah.
Today we are going for a morning drive to Kruger National Park. We're going to be there the whole day. Yeah, so we'll see what today brings. Let's go. I'm excited. You excited?
He's moving.
He's moving? There was also impalas here before, but someone was too slow to film them. So while I'm here waiting for Shannon, I'm having an ice cream and thought I'd show you the vehicles that we've been driving around in. So all open, like, I don't know what the word is, open range, open aired vehicle. 9 seats in the back and 2 in the front. Blankets because it was freezing this morning. And then yeah, just jump up the sides. You get a really good view from here, or from up there. We're at Satara. We're actually thinking about hiring a car and doing a couple of days by ourselves, but we'll see how we go.
Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. Shosholoza. Gule zontaba. Stimela. Spume South Africa. Is that difficult? Yes. Okay, one more time and then we're going for food. Shosholoza. Gule zontaba, stimela, spume South Africa. Gule
South Africa.
South Africa. Only 2 people has to eat, otherwise I have to take my food back. We can help ourselves.
Hey.
Do you get
So
to eat?
so mean, Vincent.
Do you get to eat?
Yes.